As the water crisis continues to take its toll on the valley agricultural scene, federal and state officials breaking ground today on a new $180 million restoration effort in the Friant-Kern Canal. Our Medeiros Bab with more on the decades of damage that put the valley in this position.
Where water flows, food grows.
The Central Valley of California, known as the breadbasket of the world, has 3 of the highest ranked counties for food production in the U.S.
And we provide food security, which also means good health to the communities all across the Central Valley.
The Friant-Kern Canal delivers water to 1 million acres of ag land and 250,000 residents. But over the years, drought and low snowpack leaving canals dry and farmers pulling from groundwater through wells, sinking the land through a process known as subsidence. Officials say in 70 years, the Friant-Kern Canal has sunk 13 feet and continues to sink about an inch a month. That damage wiped out 300,000 acre feet of water deliveries.
We've lost 60% of the capacity to move water in some of the stretches.
1, 2, 3.
After multiple administrations and years of begging for help, federal, state, and local officials finally broke ground on a nearly $180 million project to repair 10 miles of the middle portion of the canal, which has been hit the hardest. Funding comes from the federal, state, and local authorities. Assistant Secretary of the Interior, Tanya Trujillo, says more projects are on the way.
We have resources through the bipartisan infrastructure law to do more of these types of projects. It's going to be something that will benefit us today, but also into the future.
The project is anticipated to be finished by January 2024, and while this is a win for the valley, it's a small piece in the overall puzzle of the water crisis.
We have capacity that if we had better policies in place and we were able to abide by those policies, we would be capturing some of the water and putting it up into storage as we speak.
Medeiros Bab, KZ24, local news that matters.